Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco Grand Barista Avanti Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because nothing was coming out from the spouts, and that was because there was a clog in the machine. We basically had to disassemble the entire machine, unfortunately, in order to actually get rid of that clog. But once we put it back together and tested it, the machine is working perfectly fine. So yeah, that's all we did to the machine. And starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Then we're gonna use the hot water of the machine. We also had to repaint this one of these things over here, but one of these little covers that unfortunately got damaged while we were disassembling. But we're gonna be able to get that piece back, but unfortunately some back orders, so it's gonna take a little bit for us to get it. But in the meantime, as you can see, it looks pretty good. And as you saw there's a nice espresso shot coming out of the spouts, really nice water flow. And we'll just do one and one again. Another one. We'll do another one. Alright, perfect. The water tank sensor definitely works. As you can see, the machine is asking for more water. We're gonna pour a little bit more water into the water tank. Perfect, machine now working. It's supposed to. Let me dump this coffee and use the hot water now to clean our cup so we can redo our shot again. It's going to take a little bit for the machine to get up to temperature so it can dispense water through the spout. Once it gets to temperature, the water pump will initiate and it will push water through the thermoblock, the hoses, and into this little spout over here. And as we can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Perfect, now that our cup is clean and we tested the hot water, we're going to do another shot of espresso and then conclude the test for this machine. Again, we're initiating the grinder that is located right here. And some beans, there is a magnet that is located right here that prevents the grinder from being activated if you remove the cover. Now perfusion is happening and we can see a nice flow of coffee coming out from the spouts. Excellent quantity to answer the shot. Perfect. And there you have it, Saeco Grand Barista Avanti working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day. And thanks for watching.